Ritu has been part of us for quite some time. At the end of the day, he has to justify. We can only give him a chance to prove himself as a captain. The tournament was happening, a lot of people said maybe I'm doing all the background and this and that, but all the decisions were his. If I'm not wicket keeping, I think I'm useless on the field.
Ruturaj has had plenty of things to say to you. हमारे ही नेटवर्क पे रुतुराज ने ये कहा था, मैं आपको सुनाना चाहूंगा.
He definitely said one thing, whatever you do, it's your own decisions, it's your own responsibility to take care after everything. So I'm not going to interfere in anything. Just the field angles, if I think that somewhere it's slightly 50-50, I will definitely help in that. But he also mentioned that make sure that it's not a compulsion that if I tell you something you have to follow that. You can still take up your own decisions.
जिस तरीके से ये सक्सेशन हुआ है चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स में, why Ruturaj?
You look at the long-term picture. More often than not, batsmen who are part of you do well for you. They are the ones who you can bang for a longer period. With fast bowlers and with bowlers and around, the tendency to get injured is also there. So Ritu has been part of us for quite some time. He has done well for us. His temperament is very good. He's very calm, very composed. Him and Flem, they get along very well. So those were the reasons. At the end of the day, he has to justify. We can only give him a chance to prove himself as a captain, or see where he stands. How comfortable he is, because not everybody is comfortable with leading. क्योंकि कुछ लोगों भले बोले चाहे नहीं बोले, बट वो गेम से कई बार आपको पता चल जाएगा कि यार इसको छोड़ दो, बिकॉज यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू वांट हिम एज अ परफॉर्मर. चाहे वो बैट्समैन हो चाहे वो बॉलर है, अगर वो परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा है बट कप्तानी अच्छी करता है तो टीम के लिए प्रॉब्लम ही होता है. बट देयर आर सम अदर्स जिनका गेम 10 से 15% बेटर हो जाता है. यू गिव देम दैट कैप्टनशिप, देयर गेम एक्चुअली एलिवेट्स टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. So Ritu, we tried. We were quite sure that he'll be good for us. And yes, the first time itself when we met, I actually told him almost immediately after IPL that 90% you will lead in the next season. So mentally start preparing yourself. And before the start of the tournament, I said, if I'm supposed to give you any advice, if I'm giving you advice, doesn't mean you have to do it. First and foremost, I would try to stay away. So even when the tournament was happening, a lot of people said maybe I'm doing all the background and this and that, but all the decisions were his. The only thing I said was I have a very good idea about the angles when it comes to the field. So you tell me you want a deep point. According to the batsman, wicket and the bowler, I will set where it needs to be. So that's why you'll see a lot of hand moving, this, that and all that. Being a wicket keeper, especially if the captain is fielding on the outside, they need a point, a focal point. So you have to move around and get the attention of the player. So that's why people thought that, I'm still doing it and he's just there. But the fact is, he was doing 99% of the things. The most important things are bowling changes, and if you want to bowl with a deep point or a deep square leg, all of that was his decision. I was just helping him out. And I think he did a good job. He did a brilliant job of handling the players.
लेकिन वो कैप्टनसी की इंस्टिंक्ट्स कभी-कभी टेक ओवर कर जाती हैं. और दूसरी चीज ये कि DRS का नाम डिसीजन रिव्यू सिस्टम होगा, लेकिन फैंस के लिए तो धोनी रिव्यू सिस्टम है. तो कई बार ऐसा लगता है कि यार नहीं, रिव्यू तो मुझे ही लेना है.
नहीं, सो अगर आप रिव्यू की पर्टिकुलरली बात करो तो कीपर इज ऑलवेज इन द बेस्ट पोजीशन. कैप्टन कोई भी हो, पूछता वो विकेट कीपर से ही है. एंड सेकंड, इवन इफ द कीपर डज अ रेफरल, द अंपायर वोंट एक्सेप्ट इट. The captain has to do it.
But are the umpires looking at you sometimes?
I don't know, because I know where I am looking. I'm looking at my captain. So if a referral needs to be taken, I would immediately tell him that yes, why not. But certain times you have to ask the bowler also. And the best thing, the bowler, they are always like, out hai, le lo. And the moment you ask them, अच्छा ये बता अगर पैड में इस तरफ लगा है कि थोड़ा लेफ्ट पे लगा है, उतना हमें आइडिया नहीं. I'm like, अगर लेफ्ट में लगा है तो आउट है, राइट में लगा है तो आउटसाइड ऑफ है. So, when you try to put them in a difficult position, they're like, I'm not sure, but out there. So it becomes very tricky. And now imagine if you're the captain who's at long off or deep cover. It becomes even more difficult for them to quickly assess, within 15 seconds, whether to take the referral.
So Dhoni review system is still with Ruturaj, pretty much.
The final call is his.
Is his.
But yeah, usme I would say there's a veto that I'm not convinced, but up to you.
क्योंकि कीपिंग की बात हुई है एंड व्हाट द रोल दैट कीपर्स प्ले, मैं आपको एक्चुअली आपकी कीपिंग की एक परफॉर्मेंस दिखाना चाहूंगा जिसपे काफी सारी चर्चा हुई थी सोशल मीडिया पे, और जब हमारे नेटवर्क पे आया था तो क्या हुआ था आपको बताते हैं.
Is that a catch? Yes! MS Dhoni, लाजवाब catch.
Is this almost a point to prove to yourself कि यार नहीं यार, मतलब age is just a number?
It's a fluke, you know. It
Come on.
happened that time. And अगर आप क्लोजली मॉनिटर करोगे तो ऐसा लगेगा ट्रक के पीछे से एक ना चावल का बोरा गिर रहा है. But the whole thing is if you can reach with two hands, you know, I've always been a fan of trying to take catches with two hands, and it helps. So it always feels good if you can contribute like this. But I'm not somebody who you would see dive around a lot or to take those, you know, great catches, one-handed great catches. I'm quite a safe keeper. I like to keep it that way.
नीज के साथ जो कुछ हुआ है पिछले 2 सालों में, आई मीन देयर हैज बीन अ सर्जरी, देयर हैज बीन रिकवरी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, आसान नहीं होता. कितना मुश्किल है ये कर पाना?
It's a challenge, you know, and that's what makes it interesting. And also the fact that if I'm not wicket keeping, I think I'm useless on the field, you know, because that's where I read the game in the best possible manner, you know. So I have to be really close to the game, you know, for the angles, to see how the bowler is bowling, how the wicket is behaving. What is the change? पहले 6 ओवर में with the new ball the wicket behaves differently. You know, after that has it changed or it remains the same? So all these things, you know, when I'm right behind the stump, you know, I'm in a better position to judge, you know, what really is happening, and then to convey to the captain as to this is what is happening. Whether it's a bad delivery that has gone for a 6 or it's a good delivery that the batsman has hit for a 6. You know, I can differentiate between the two, you know, when I'm behind the stump.